I'm Danessa Myricks, and let's play with color. I'd love to show you how to use Colorfix 3 different ways with 3 different finishes to create this dynamic look. One of the reasons why I created Colorfix is that it's the product of my dreams. It's the product of any makeup artist's dream. Imagine having one product that can do everything you can potentially imagine. Mascara, eyeliner, lips, cheeks, shadows. For me, it was super important when I got started to find products that were affordable that I can use in a lot of different ways. And I wanted to bring that into my collection. I wanted you to, for the price of one shade, be able to do lots of things with it. So go crazy. Colorfix is your one and done, do everything dream product. So if you love what you see, stay tuned. Let's talk color. For this demonstration, I want to walk through how to harness the power of 3 using color. And I'm going to be using a product called Colorfix. Colorfix is a liquid pigment that can be used anywhere on the face or body. You can use it as an eyeshadow, as a blush, a lip color, mascara, liner, the list goes on and on. Today I'm going to show you how to use one shade of Colorfix 3 different ways to do a total look. I'm going to be using the shade Desert Rose. Let's first use it on the lids. Taking a flat brush and a drop of Colorfix, I'm going to add an instant wash of color to the lids. Colorfix is highly pigmented. A little goes a long way. Feel free to use it as a base for your shadows, or as I'm doing in this look, I'm using it as the shadow. Once I place it on the eye, I'm just going to take a moment to blend. Notice as I blend up the color, it creates the illusion of multiple shades. This is the easiest, fastest way to create a soft, smoky eye. I'm going to do the same thing underneath the eye. Using a small brush, I'm going to feather the color underneath. With Colorfix, you can build it up to the intensity that you desire. So if I want this to pop more, I can just add another layer of color right on top. It's buildable, it's flexible, and it's super high payoff. The great thing about using Colorfix on the eye is that it's completely waterproof. So this will wear all day. Now let's incorporate Colorfix on the cheek. One of the things that I really love about Colorfix is that you can use it in different intensities. So for a soft wash of color, it's really easy to do that. Being able to take one product and build it at different intensities also helps if you're somebody like I was, who never knew what blush matches this eyeshadow, matches this lip. The answer, use one shade everywhere. So I'm taking the same tone, doing a soft wash of color, bringing it up to the temples, near the eye, and it's the perfect complement to this strong smoky eye because it's the exact same shade. You can dial it up or dial it down to taste. Colorfix has been the secret weapon in my kit. I've streamlined my kit so much because this is so much of a one and done product. One thing I really love about Colorfix is that you have plenty enough time to play. So you notice on the eyes, I was able to smoke those eyes really easily, blend it out before it dried down. And the same on the cheek. By keeping the skin, applying it to hydrated skin or applying it directly on top of your foundation, you have all the time in the world to move it and tap it to taste. But once it sets, it's set for good and you don't have to worry about any touch-ups. Now for the lips. We're gonna use this exact same shade and we'll keep it at a medium intensity. Jeana's lips are already well hydrated, so we're creating the look of a hydrated lip balm. Just fresh and easy. Now, I'd love to show you how to use 3 different finishes of Colorfix to amplify the look. Colorfix comes in 3 different finishes. We have our matte, which we used earlier. We have our cream metallic finishes, and we also have the glaze. And we're gonna use all 3 for this look. I'm gonna take Colorfix in the shade Ballerina. It's a beautiful metallic shade with pink accents. Colorfix is super easy to layer because it sets completely matte and wears all day. So adding different finishes on top will never ruin what's underneath. Taking a small amount of Colorfix and Ballerina on my finger, I'm just gonna simply tap it right at the center of her lid. Layering this cream metallic shade on top of the matte shade really creates beautiful dimension and adds light and life to the look. This will also be a beautiful accent to the inner corners of the eye. Now it's time to get glossy. We're going to incorporate Colorfix glaze on the lids and the lips. Taking a small amount on my finger, I'm going to start at the brow bone, just adding a hint of shine there, and we'll finish with a sweep of gloss onto the eyelid. Colorfix glaze is super lightweight, you won't feel anything, and this shine will last you all day long. A few taps and you're good to go. All of the Colorfix products are super concentrated, so a little bit goes a long way. Adding glaze to the top of this eye completely amplified this eye look. Her eyes look bigger. As she turns to the side, there's so many areas of accent. It's a simple, fast, and easy way to create a dramatic pop. On the lips, we'll use it like a traditional lip gloss, but a gloss that has the ultimate shine. So without adding color, we're just amplifying texture. So there we have it. I showed you how to take Colorfix and use it 3 different ways: eyes, cheek, and lip. Also 3 different finishes to go from simple to slay. Have fun playing with Colorfix. Remember, it's the product of your wildest dreams. Everything is possible with Colorfix. Thank you so much for joining me. I had an amazing time sharing the collection with you. I'm really excited for you to come find me at Morphe.com or at a Morphe store near you.